Hey everyone, it's Andrew Chamberlain here from Gusto with our latest November edition of The Economy Explained. So if you are a small business owner right now, you're probably feeling something a little strange. The economic data say things are good overall, but it doesn't feel that way. So let me explain what is actually happening. Here is the paradox. The US economy is growing today at 3.8%, and consumer spending is growing at 5.6%. Those are really strong numbers. But at Gusto, we just saw small business hiring turn negative in October for the first time since January. And consumer sentiment, it is at the lowest level all year right now. So what is going on? Well, the economy is in transition. We are seeing the lag effects of the Fed's very aggressive rate hikes working its way through the system. Businesses are cautious, consumers are cautious. Everyone right now is kind of in wait and see mode. But here's what really matters for you. The fundamentals of the small business economy are really solid. Now, the really good news is that the Fed has finally started cutting rates. 2 rate cuts already, bringing rates down from about 5.3% to about 4.1% effective rates. This is huge. Business loan rates, which have been painfully high, they're finally starting to ease. And we're seeing these term loans that small businesses rely on, they're at 7.2 to 7.8%. That's down from 8% last year. On the cost side, there is more good news. Inflation has really come down quite a bit, still elevated at 3%, still above the Fed's target, but way better than the 9% peak that we saw in 2022. And compensation costs for small business, they're growing today at around 4%, a sustainable 4% pace. So those wage wars of 2022 and 2023, those are over. So here's what this really means for your small business. First, invest in customer relationships now while consumer spending is still strong. Second, you really want to take advantage of this rebalancing labor market. You can be more selective about hiring again. And third, you really want to position your small business for a rebound. So as these Fed rate cuts start to work their way through the system over the next 6 to 12 months, conditions will improve for small businesses. So this today is a transitional moment. It's definitely not a crisis. Stay focused on cash flow, maintain flexibility, and get ready to capitalize when things turn. Now, our full report for the November The Economy Explained is available at gusto.com. Go check it out and let me know in the comments what you're seeing in your business. I'm Andrew Chamberlain, and we'll see you next time.